how to find like reels on Facebook. So let's first head over and like some reels. So for example, let's like this. Let's also like this one as well as this one. Now, if you want to find them again but you don't want to head over to your reels, what you can do is you can head over here to your three lines. Then from in here, click on your settings or gear icon. From in there, click on this search settings. And you can click on this activity log or you can search for it as well. Now, from in here, what you can do is you can head over and then find this Facebook activity. Click on it. And in here, you can see comments and reactions. You can expand it. You can see your likes and reactions. Now, from in here, as you can see, here are the reels that we have liked earlier. And it actually appears right here onto your activity log. So you can click on it and then visit it again if you want to. So that's how you find like reels on Facebook. Hope we helped.